Kentucky's capital today, the issue of abortion services was front and center.
One Democratic state lawmaker filing 3 bills centered around increasing access to reproductive and maternal health care. 2 of them were filed in 2023 as well, but did not see much movement. The first, called the North Star bill, would reverse state abortion law back to where it was before Roe v. Wade was overturned. The second would expand a Medicaid program for new mothers experiencing postpartum depression.
The third is called the SHIELD bill, specifically protecting those who travel out of state for an abortion. Senior reporter Isaiah Kim Martinez and senior photojournalist Alyssa Newton break it down.
State Representative Lindsey Burke of Lexington shared her own deeply personal story of loss. She hopes understanding her circumstances and how common they can be will convince Republicans to support at least some of her legislation.
The baby I wanted was not to be.
Standing in a room of abortion rights advocates holding signs reading "Stop the Bans," Representative Lindsey Burke voiced her struggles in pregnancy over the last few years, losing 2 of 3 children to medical complications. Having options, in this case to travel to Cincinnati for its resources, made the difference.
And so having the ability to know the day and time that horrible nightmare was going to come to an end was a gift to me.
Now she's taking action, introducing the SHIELD bill, which would double down on protecting women traveling out of state for reproductive health care from prosecution. And the doctors, too.
I've seen some actual action in the courts by people who would invade our privacy, take our most vulnerable moments, and use them to hurt us.
There has been an effort by Republican attorneys general across the country, including Kentucky's former AG Daniel Cameron, to establish access to medical records for services obtained outside the state. A spokesperson for Kentucky's new attorney general, Russell Coleman, telling me today he would not have joined the letter, saying, quote, "I've been clear about my priorities as Attorney General. I will put violent criminals and drug traffickers behind bars where they belong." The ACLU of Kentucky and Planned Parenthood both on site Wednesday.
Patients need to know that their medical information and care won't be under surveillance when they return home, and that they and their providers won't be criminalized.
The SHIELD bill would also provide an avenue for patients to sue the state for violation of civil rights if they feel their health care privacy was infringed upon.
I too want to be a parent. I love children. I want to see families grow. But I understand, because of the life that I've lived, that's actually very complicated.
And likely adding to the complications of getting the bill passed will be GOP opposition. Burke telling me she'll be having those conversations as soon as possible to find support across the aisle. Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11 on your side.